guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making plastic, adding squishies to the freezer. And so before we get started, so this video is requested from Nilton and Filomeno, so got to do this. And before we get started, remember to hit that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and turn on the notification to become part of my channel. And if you're ready to do those things, comment down below at your family, and you can just comment what should I make in the next video. So let's get started. So I have these two squishies. It's not Slowrising anymore. So I'm getting testing, adding to the freezer, and so guys, I use a zip bag, so I'm going to close it and open it again. So add in those things, and I'm going to add it to the freezer, so about 25 minutes, so just wait. So guys, it's already 25 minutes. 25 minutes is the longest minutes I've been taking. So I'm going to open this. Start from this red one. Oh my god, it's so hot. And it doesn't slow rising anymore. And it's so cool. Oh, it's so cool. And I'm going to try this small one. It's so cool. This one is a little bit of slow rising, and it's just so like it's more than the big ones. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification. So bye.